Hello everyone. When I thought about making this video, I was puzzled about choosing the location. However, as soon as I started working and opened Google Earth, fortunately the first place that came to my mind was the Holy Kaaba, the purest and greatest place on earth. The Kaaba is scientifically proven to be the center of the earth. Let us take the honor of mapping the coordinates of the place. By the way, I am currently residing in Saudi Arabia, a truly wonderful and well-organized country with kind and generous people. It is a country that needs no introduction, so without further ado, let's get started. First step, we start by typing the study area into the Google Earth box. For example, today Mecca, Saudi Arabia. Then we click on search, and the program will automatically zoom in on the desired area. From the Places menu, we right click on the word My Places, add folder, new folder, we name it Mecca. Okay, we go to the Mecca file, right click, add Placemark, name it M1. Okay, then we place the yellow pin as the desired location. Right click, properties, for example we put M1, put it here. Okay, right click, add Placemark, put it here. Okay, Mecca, right click, add Placemark, name it M3, then put it for example here. Okay, right click, add Placemark, name it M4. For example, put it here. Okay, then right click on folder Mecca, save place as, save as type KML, choose for example project for Google Earth Georeference, save here. Next we save the image by clicking on the save image from here, save image icon, then we deactivate the elements on the map option here, deactivate title, deactivate legend, deactivate scale, deactivate compass. Then here choose maximum resolution 8192 multiply 4600, insert line, then click save image. Choose the same previous folder, for example Google Earth, name it Makkah, for example, save. Now we will complete our georeference in ArcGIS. First we need to define the geographic coordinate system from layers, right click, properties, coordinate system. From there we specify the coordinate system for the Kaaba area. We can refer back to Google Earth to find the coordinate system for the Kaaba from Google Earth. Okay, Q37 Makkah. Then we choose WGS 1984 UTM zone 37N. Okay. Words WGS 1984 project coordinate system UTM WGS Navan 37N. Apply. Okay. Right click, properties, data frame, general, display UTM. Apply. Okay. Then we go to the Arc Toolbox icon, select Conversion Tools from KML to layer. Then we input the KML file obtained from Google Earth, Makkah KML, open, and the location will automatically appear in the output location, but we can also change it if needed. Okay. After the process is complete, these points will appear at their actual location on the ground, M1, M2, M3, M4. We go to point, right click, select data, export data, output feature class, browse. We select the GeoDatabase data format that ArcGIS handles, which is makkah.gdb. Placemarks, name for example point. Press save. Yes. Do you want to add the exported data to the map as a layer? Yes. And delete the initial point that we no longer need it. From here, remove. And change icon size from to our point from simple. For example, make it yellow, circle. Okay. We add data and include the image. Then include the image from add data. Include GPG makkah2. Add. Created pyramids for makkah2. Yes. And now on spatial reference. Okay, apply. Okay, and then apply a spatial reference by going to georeferencing, selecting fit to display, and observe the image being inserted into the map. M1 here, M2, M3, M4. We zoom in on the yellow points started by M1. Click on Add Control Point from here. We zoom in on the yellow points and click on Add Control Point to match them with their actual coordinates, then repeating the process for the other points as well. Add control points, M2, then M3, add control points, then M4, add control points, M4. After completing the georeferencing process, for the points we click on Rectify, Georeferencing, Rectify, and select the save location from here, Brooch, Google Earth, format TIFF, save on TIFF format. Afterward, we can clear the contents, the table of content from here, remove, then add data, makkah.gdb, add, leave our TIFF file. And fourth, we can utilize ArcMap to process this image according to our requirements. We can make sure of our work by press, right click, properties, source, spatial reference WGS 1984 UTM zone 37N. Thank you for watching and see you.